The chairman, Christian Association of Nigeria (CAN), in the 19 northern states under FCT, Rev Joseph Hayab, says the association will not relent in efforts to promote unity and development in the region. Addressing a news conference in Abuja, Rev Hayab assures that his leadership will be guided by integrity, honesty, and love for the people, urging Christians to live an exemplary life that reflects the teachings of Jesus Christ. The CAN leadership promised to initiate collaborations that would drive peaceful coexistence in the region.
We must open channels of communication with one another and with our neighbors, regardless of their faith. We need platforms where ideas can flow freely, where we can discuss our differences, and where we can jointly identify solutions to our common challenges. In Nigeria today, the challenge of hunger, the challenge of poverty do not know religious or cultural or regional barrier.
The CAN chairman, who recounted the immense challenges faced by Christians, especially in northern Nigeria, called on the government to do the needful.
We're privileged to come from the north. We want to see protection for everybody that resides within our region. The insecurity in the north, government must wake up and do something to bring it to a stop, because that is her responsibility.
He said that the association will work with various groups and institutions to ensure lasting peace returns to the region. CNU News.